Oh my god, I'm sweating too much. Never expect this to happen, but it happened. We are heading to Casablanca and we are end up like wearing this vest. Yeah, we are
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. For those of you who have been following along, you might remember this.
So where we are right now between the Susmasa National Park and Sahara Desert. We are staying in the paid campsite. The reason why I have to take care of immigration part, and in Morocco it's quite hard to do it by yourself, and we got the information. This campsite owner, he knows how to deal with it.
Tubi's big makeover took a lot longer than either of us expected, and although we tried, we were unable to extend our 3-month entry visas. After a day at the police station, an officer, that's him in front of us, escorted us to the provincial court. 여기 있네.
Come back, right?
I don't see him.
I have to go by myself then.
Okay, do you have my phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Alright.
그럼 나 혼자 간다.
Okay, I'll wait for you here, okay? Good luck. The judge found her guilty, obviously, and fined her 400 dirham, so not so bad. After that, we hit the road for the long drive to Casablanca. Why Casablanca? Well, Lucy received some really unfortunate news from Korea, and she is flying back home. We'll talk more about that later. But getting to Casablanca turned out to be, well, not so easy. Kia, yes. Yeah, B-O-N-G-O.
Just don't forget to drink water. Yeah, we are fine. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sweating too much. Guys, never expect this to happen, but it happened. Oh, it's really hot today. Actually, we left the Sidi Bini campsite. My immigration part was hectic and not easy. So after that is a clear up, we are heading to Casablanca and we are end up like wearing this vest. Our tire is really messed up. The road temperature is really high, and I guess our tire already had a damage before. We felt that our TV was kind of like really bumpy, too much wavy feeling on it, especially my side. And we pull over the middle of the road, find a place we can see the tire situation, and tire is not great, and then we don't want to take a risk. We tried to change our tire. Our tool didn't work because tire nut is so tight with our force, doesn't work, so we called the tow trucks. Actually, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm really like having a heat problem. I have to get to Casablanca today, no matter what. Tomorrow I have an appointment in the morning, and it is almost a 6-hour drive, and we drove only 1 hour. Let's figure it out. Let's change the tire and let's see about that. Alright? 인터뷰를 하겠습니다.
네.
토트럭이 올 것 같습니까?
I don't know. It's been about 40 minutes.
They're supposed to be here within 30 minutes, but they haven't shown up yet. I'm not sure they're gonna show up today.
No, I'm just gonna try to wave someone down.
هذه على هذيك برا من الاخرين.
Wow.
Guys, finally we are back on the road. Tow truck never show up. So one guy, he pulled off the right in front of us. Actually, he pulled off like kind of far away, and he was backing up towards us. And say like, we need a help? And we say yes. And then we ask him to the wrench to change our tire, and his one and ours one is different, and he waved down all the drivers.
He has a nice fancy German car.
Yeah.
So it's like I don't
different,
know what that was.
So he waved down on the road for us, and then one van flew over, and then they have a perfect one for us, and they like change a tire for us, and it worked great. And the truck, I think we don't need to call them anymore if we have some problem. I mean, like, one thing we forgot is Moroccan people like always help us, right? They're really nice people. I think like next time we are gonna wave.
And he wasn't the first guy to stop.
Yeah.
The other guy, I told him, oh, it's okay, we call the tow truck.
Yeah.
He just took off. But
Yeah, right. Yeah, people are really nice. So finally we can get on the road, and let's chill a little bit, because like we were in the heat for a long time. My face is red, and Mark's face is like red.
I need a shower.
Yeah, me too.
But unfortunately, there's no shower where we're going.
Yeah.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd.
Wow.
So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try when she left
Oh my god. Never get the rules here. Good morning. Actually, not good morning for me. I'm kind of a mess. Yesterday we were on the road 10 hours, and driving time is 7 hours almost. And car breakdown situation like hold plus back for coming to Casablanca. But luckily we got here late night yesterday. Heat was damaged us yesterday, a little bit exhausted still. I am exhausted, but there's another things pop up in the morning. Yes, I'm leaving Mark here alone, and I have to go back to Korea urgently because I have a family emergency. So I booked the ticket to go back to Korea, and I booked all PCR tests. That's the reason why we traveled so long time yesterday to get the PCR test today. But in the morning my flight got cancelled.
Ground staff at Germany's largest airline, Lufthansa, have begun a strike which has forced the company to cancel over 1,000 flights. Nearly all flights through Lufthansa's hubs in Frankfurt and Munich have been scrapped starting this morning. Now, the disruption could impact travel plans for more than 130,000 passengers worldwide in the coming days.
I was like shaking, seriously, when I saw that. I got the text message in the morning. This one was, it dropped my heart. I'm still shaking though. I say like, your flight is cancelled. We will be in touch shortly with a solution, but I don't know what is their solution. Flight from Germany to Korea is like still okay, but from here to Germany is cancelled, so my flight is just on the air. And since we woke up and we just like tried to log on the website and call them and no one answer, and I guess everyone is having a problem like this. So yeah, I had to cancel my PCR test and everything. It's just, I have no idea. We decided to go to the airport, see how it goes.
So we did go to the airport that day. While Lufthansa does have flights out of Casablanca, it turns out that they don't have any desk or customer service. So we would have to find a different solution. We thought it couldn't get any worse, but we had no idea what was about to come. But for that, we'll have to wait till next time.